Hey my homies, let's talk fried rice, Chinese fried rice. I love rice and the video I'm uploading is about rice. It's a rice dish and I feel I'm great at cooking rice. It's one of the first things I learned how to cook, and so I want to tell you a little bit about my Chinese fried rice. I will be making like a house special. Some people will call me a rice eater, and that's okay because I love rice. Okay? Fried rice is one of the first things that I learned how to make. It's in my top 10 things that I learned to make. I would come home from school, and if there wasn't food, or maybe there was just rice, it was always easy to fry up some rice. Fried rice, whatever you call it. Or there's always rice in your fridge whenever you're hungry. I just needed two things to make my fried rice. So in this recipe, this is the OG way that I've been making fried rice. First you boil the rice, you let it cool, and then you fry it. Now over the years, I picked up many ways in making fried rice, but this recipe has a secret ingredient that I am calling my own because I got it from my mom, and she was someone when we were lacking anything, she could always think of what to put as a substitute. So I am like the queen of substitutes, okay? If I don't have something, I don't make it a big issue. I don't cry about it. I don't get in my car and run to the supermarket. No, I use whatever I have in the house, or I omit it, and it still tastes good. So this is my recipe. I just want you to know the secret ingredient. You have to watch the video to find out, but I will give you a little tip. No, I will give you a little clue. I do not use soy sauce in my fried rice. I do not use browning in my fried rice. This ingredient makes a big difference. I've told people about it many times and they had no idea, but it makes my food magnifique. And I would love you to try it and then come and tell me, well, it didn't work out for me. Yes, it was absolutely the best, Kanima. I am never going back to cooking fried rice the way I used to cook it. Chinese fried rice. Even Uncle Roger would agree. So enjoy!
First, we're gonna make a sauce. It simplifies it a whole lot. 1 tablespoon of water, 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and this is my secret ingredient, guys, Cassareep. Cassareep is what I've been using forever to make my fried rice. You can always substitute half a teaspoon of crushed ginger, half a teaspoon of dry thyme, half a teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of oyster sauce. You can omit this, you don't have to use it. 1 teaspoon of sugar, and just mix it, and there you have your sauce for your rice. Now we're gonna do any type of meat. I'm using shrimp, so I add black pepper, ginger, garlic, and I'm gonna add a tablespoon of my sauce. There's also salt in there, and I'm gonna throw in some scallions, and then you cook that 4 minutes or so on each side, 3 to 4 minutes, and once you're done with that, you're gonna set it aside. And looks good. Now to my wok, I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of canola oil. I'm gonna add some chicken strips that I had already seasoned up, and basic salt and black pepper, and then I'm gonna put some of the sauce on my chicken. Look how beautiful that is. You're gonna cook it up and you're gonna set that aside. Now we're gonna add our onions and we're gonna fry that up a bit. I'm gonna put in some fresh ginger, 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger, some hot pepper, as hot as you like it. I'm gonna put in my diced carrots, some chopped green beans. I don't like the green peas, so I use green beans. It mimics boro for me. Have a cup of corn kernel. Don't worry about the charred look on the edges of the pot. That is just from the sauce caramelizing. 2 tablespoons of my sauce. And you're gonna fry that up. You're gonna make a well in the middle. Add a tablespoon of butter. Don't skip your butter, people. And you're gonna fry that up as well. So now you're gonna add your rice. I had 4 or 5 cups of cooked basmati rice that was set and ready to go, cooled and everything. And you're gonna stir it in. And at this point, this is a great base for your fried rice. You can add beef, you can add pork, you could add shrimp. This is just the perfect base. And also at this point, you add some scallions, you add some black pepper if you feel you need more, you add some more salt, or what I really like to add is a chicken bouillon cube, and it does the job. You add your remaining sauce, and the secret is in the sauce, people. The secret is in the sauce. So there you have it. Delicious, magnifique. So there's people in my house that don't eat meat. So here I'm going to separate my food so I could add my chicken and my shrimp. I know you were thinking, oh, the chicken looks so little bit, but I'm the only one eating my house special. I call this my house special. There's no pork. You could add pork to this. I had none. I hardly eat pork. And you could put beef in here. I hardly eat beef, so I hardly eat shrimp. But there you have it. It's so delicious. I wish you could taste it, okay? Actually, you can, simply by mimicking mine. Use all the ingredients that I use if you want it to taste exactly like mine. If you substitute, it's not going to be Guyanese's Chinese fried rice, okay? Let me know how you did in the comments. Leave a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and thank you so much for watching.